Hi there, I'm Donna Kurczynski, and I'm an intuitive healer and writer. Recently, I took Jill Lublin's Publicity Crash Course, and wow, was it ever an eye-opener. I have a small business, and I want to up my profile by using free media publicity. And Jill has the formula for that. In about 3 hours, she can teach you the techniques on how you become respected, recognized, and remembered. Remembered, that's key. And the techniques she uses are that you are simple and clear. Simple and clear. You use simple sentences, simple words, and simple ideas. And when you do that, you put it together in a simple format so it can touch people. And also, they will want to know more about you and what you have to offer. Simple and clear. Thanks, Jill.